Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. We are going to be giving my house a little bit of a home reset. I'd like to get some tasks done to get me ready for the upcoming week. These routines don't always look the same because sometimes some of these things I get done on a different day, but I hope you enjoyed today's video and we're going to go ahead and just jump right in. So I did switch over to powder, but my mother-in-law, when she was here, she did pick up a bottle of this Tide detergent. So I'm just going ahead and using that up. I actually wanted to find like a cute glass storage jar for it. I did take a look at Target and I couldn't really find anything. So I was gonna look online just somewhere where I can make it look pretty and put it on my shelf in the laundry room with the other storage containers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick clean in my room. I just needed to pick up a few things and make my bed. Let me know if you are cleaning with me today and what you're working on, or if you're just hanging out. And I appreciate you for hanging out with me.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like.
So I had a couple of loads of laundry to catch up on, and I am not a fan of laundry, so when I get behind, it's a bummer because I have to sit and fold, but I've been really trying to keep up with it. That is why we are tackling it today.
Whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be.
So now we're in my daughter's room, and if you missed it, we did a makeover in here. So she does have this new bed, which has drawers. She no longer has her dresser. This has been so helpful for us because now she has more space in her room to play, and she just doesn't need 4 or 5 dresser drawers. These 3 are enough, and then the rest of her clothes are hung up in the closet. It works out perfect. I'm so excited because today's video is actually sponsored by Factor, which is a meal prep company that I've wanted to work with for months now. I have a few family members who have tried their meals and love them, so I'm really excited to be partnering with them today. So Factor provides balanced eating made simple. So they provide a menu each week with dozens of delicious, nutritious meals, and based on your taste preferences, your dietary restrictions, and meal history, you choose your meals, or they can craft your order. So each meal is cooked from scratch by real chefs using the freshest ingredients. Your order is delivered fresh to your door. So their menus are updated weekly, and they do offer seafood, veggie, and meat options along with keto, calorie smart, carb conscious, plant-based, vegan, and vegetarian options. Factor Plus is an add-on where you can choose from additional proteins, juices, soups, energy bites, veggie sides, and desserts. So I've been enjoying Factor because I'm able to try new meals, and their meals are so yummy. But another really awesome thing about them is that they offer a complimentary nutrition coach with all of their subscriptions, and that includes one 20-minute consult with a registered dietitian to gain tailored advice for your wellness journeys. That is definitely a huge plus. Also include your macros and just directions on how to prepare the meal. They have everything from breakfast to lunch and dinner. So I was able to try most of the meals, and one of them that I highly recommend is the pesto salmon. That was probably one of my favorites. And I also really enjoyed their breakfast tostada bake. I love that they offer breakfasts in a meal plan because sometimes I want a really good breakfast and don't have time to make it before I have to start working or running errands. So I'm able to just heat it up in the microwave for 2 minutes and eat and go off on my day. But right now I am showing you guys the pesto salmon, which was so delicious. It's like full restaurant style, just really, really good. So make sure that you guys check my description box. I will have their link so you guys can get the discount on their website, and let me know in the comments if you end up trying them out. So we're gonna go ahead and get back to the cleaning. I'm also going to be reorganizing underneath my sink later on in the video. I bought some cabinet liners. We're gonna put those down. We're gonna get it cleaned up. That is gonna be later on in the video.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter.
So now we're gonna go ahead and do a quick clean in my loft. I still had our suitcases out from a couple of weeks ago, so I wanted to put those away. I'm also gonna be vacuuming our loft couch here and then moving this donation pile to my car.
And then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, yeah. Or maybe we just start to get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had it's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then
So now we made it to the kitchen and we are gonna clean underneath my kitchen sink. As you can see, it was a hot mess. What motivated me to do this is I went ahead and bought some cabinet liners because I saw that the bottom of the cabinet there is bubbling up, and that is because water falls down in there and it's just ruining the bottom of this cabinet. So I wanted to put some liners down so the damage doesn't get worse. I just picked some up from Target. I think it was about 10 bucks. I did think that there was a lot more in the roll than what I got, but I was only really able to do this one cabinet, so I won't be buying that exact brand or those exact liners when I am ready to do the rest of my cabinets, because I just didn't get very much for the price. So this was a fairly easy job. I just kind of lined everything up at the bottom there, and I used a blade and I just sliced it in the corner, and then I had to cut a couple of extra pieces for that back area because it did not cover the whole bottom cabinet, which isn't a problem. It was just fine. So right now I'm gonna go in and clean all of my storage containers. You can see they're super dirty. There's a lot of soap residue and scum buildup. So we're gonna get those clean. So I'm just going ahead and touching up my cabinet with this wood paint stick that I have. It's super easy to use, and I just dab it on there and let it dry, and it just looks a whole lot better.
Baby, you know it. You're losing patience with me, but baby, don't show it. Ooh, isn't this what you wanted? But you're blowing up my phone, cause I didn't come crying to you. So come on,
all right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Comment down below and say hi. Don't forget to check out Factor. Also, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.
you can waste your breath.